Today, every business is going online to increase its reachability to customers. Also, it is the requirement of customer to get product online because of this pandemic. So, in the series of creating online business website, today I am going to explain you how to create an eyeglasses store. Hello guys, welcome to my channel Theme. Today I am going to use Big Store Pro theme to create today's website, in which I will explain you how to install theme, how to import demo data, and how to manage homepage with the help of customized panel. Before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification of my videos. Let's first take a look to our demo. This is the site which we are going to make today. Here I am assuming that you have already purchased your domain and hosting and installed WordPress in it. Now let's move to our dashboard, and here we are going to install Big Store theme. So you have to navigate to Appearance tab and click on the themes link. It will now open a window like this, and you have to click on the Add New button here, and it will open a area where you can search Big Store theme. So here you have to write text Big Store in our search bar and it will give you result. The very first result is our Big Store theme. You have to click on the install button, and after that we are going to activate this theme. Guys, as I told you that we are going to use Big Store Pro to create this eyeglasses website. So you have to install Big Store Pro plugin also to get all the pro features of the theme. To get Pro plugin, you have to go to the sales page. I will provide you this link in the description part, and after clicking on buy now button you can purchase the Big Store Pro plugin, and then you can download that plugin from your members area which you will get after purchasing the theme, and you can save it in your local PC. After that you have to go to the plugin section, and there you can install that plugin. So as of now I am just clicking on the activate button and it will activate our Big Store theme. Now our Big Store theme is activated, and to install plugin you have to navigate to plugin section and click on the add new button. After that click on upload plugin here, and you have to choose the file which you have downloaded from your members area. As of now I have already installed the plugin in our dashboard, so I am just going to activate this plugin. Now we have installed and activated Big Store theme and Big Store Pro plugin in our dashboard. Now again we have to navigate to Appearance tab and click on the Started with Big Store theme. Here we are going to import the demo which are available with the theme. So you have to click on the import demo template, and it will show us the demos which are packed with the theme. So these are the demos which are available with the theme. Today I am going to use this eyeglasses demo for our website. So just click on the preview button here, and it will show you the preview of the eyeglasses store, and at the left side you can see these are some plugins which is required to import the demo of the theme. So first one is the lead form builder plugin, which is used to create forms in our website such as contact form and newsletter form. Second one is the WP pop-up builder. This pop-up builder will help you to show pop-up on your website. Either you are going to create a sale for your website or you are launching a new product, you can add this pop-up in your website. And the last plugin is the Woocommerce plugin. This plugin is helpful to create product for your website and to sell your products. So as of now all the plugins installed in our dashboard. If you have not installed these, then it will show you the install now button, and then you can install it. After that click on the import this site button and click on the OK button here. It will import all the demo data in your website. Now our demo data is imported properly, and we have to click on the done view site button to check how our website is looking. So just navigate to the tab and we will see how our website is looking. You can see our above header, our eyeglasses menu are all imported in our website, our main header area. Below that you can see this is the brand section, and below that you can see some product area. and all the content which we have seen in our demo is imported in our website. This is a quick setup for your website. Now all you have to do is you have to create your own product and list them in your website and start selling them. Now I am going to explain you how you can manage all the sections of home page with the help of customize panel. So just navigate to the customize panel from this link customize, and it will open you options of theme. You can use them to manage your home page. So this is the customize panel. In the left side you can see some options of the theme, and in the right side you can see this is the real-time editor. So just navigate to front page sections and it will show you all the sections which are available with the theme. You can manage them to show your products. The very first section is the top slider section. In this you can use these layouts to show your products, or you can show your images. As of now we have selected this first layout. In this you can show image at the background and text above it. After selecting layout you can navigate below to create new slides. As of now we have created two slides. First one is the where we have given image in the background, and also some options are available to add title, subtitle and text. When you add title here, slider title, then it will show you the result in the real time in this slider area. So you can see this is the slider title which is showing in our slider. As of now I am just removing it, and similarly you can give the subtitle, you can give text, or you can give the link to that particular slider. Now by clicking add new slide you can add as much as slide you want. Also we have given option to slide autoplay. You can enable or disable this option according to your requirement. If you don't want to show this section in your website, then you can click on the disable section checkbox and it will hide that particular section in your website. Now let's move to the another section, which is the tabbed product carousel section. Here you can see we have given some option to add hiding in the tabbed products carousel. As of now this section is disabled. If you want you can uncheck this checkbox and give the title of your section, and below that you need to choose the categories for which product you want to show in your section. After that you can choose the option to show recent product, featured product or random products. So this section is also in the form of slider, so you can also enable or disable auto slide play from this option. Here you will get another option which will allow you to show your products either in single row or in two row. So you can choose this option according to your requirement. So this is the tabbed product carousel, and now next section is the Woo category section. This section is also disabled. If you uncheck this box it will show that particular section in your website. Options you will get in this section are the section heading, and you will get some layouts. You can choose those layouts according to your requirement. Also you will get option to choose the categories which you want to show in your category layout, so you can choose categories from here. After that you will get option to show number of columns in your category, so you can manage number of columns from here. If you reduce the value it will show less images in your category. So as of now I am just selecting classic, men's glasses, premium and women's glasses. So you can see this is the Woo category section which is showing. It is not showing any image because we have not added any image to that particular category. If you want to add images you need to just navigate to the dashboard and go to the product section, and there you will get option to add categories. When you create a new category or when you edit a category it will give you option to add image in that particular category. So when you navigate to categories, here you will get option to add image. You can see this is the thumbnail option. Here you have to upload your category image and it will show in your website here. So as of now I am just disabling this section. Now let's move to the another section, which is the product tab image carousel section. You can see this is the women collection area, which is the heading of that section. You can manage the heading from here. Also you can choose categories for which you want to show your product. Below that you will get option to show products such as recent product, featured product and random products. Also you will get option to add a image at the right side of the section. Here you can see this is the image which we have uploaded. You can upload image here. Also you can manage the position of this image such as left or right. When you click on left, it will show image in the left side of the section. Here you will also get an option to show products in a single row or in a double row. When you uncheck this box, it will show product in double row. You can see now our products are visible in 2 rows. So just check this section, check this checkbox and it will show product in a single row. Now let's move to the another section, which is the ribbon section. With the help of ribbon section, you can either add an image or a video as a background in your ribbon, and also you can give text to that particular ribbon. Mainly ribbon are used to show your sales product or some recent product. You can also redirect user to that particular page with the help of this button available. You can give the link in the button and also you can change the text in the button. So with the help of ribbon section, you can show your image or video. Now let's move to the another section, which is the product carousel section. In product carousel section, you can only select a single category. Either you can select all categories or you can show a product of a particular category. So with the help of section heading, you can give heading of your section. You can see this is the unisex collection text. This is the text which is showing here. Below that you will also get option to show recent product, featured product and random product. Also this section is in the form of slider, so you can click on the slide autoplay button to autoplay your section. So these are the settings which are available in product carousel. Some similar settings are disable section and enable single row slide. Now let's move to the another banner section. Here you will get option of single column, 2 column, 3 column, 5 images and so on. You can show your product or sales images here, or you can show your brand images here with the help of this section. As of now we have selected single column, so it is giving us option to add an image and a URL of that particular image. When you click on the 2 column, then it will show you image of 1, image 2 option, and then you can add images to that particular column. So you can use this banner section to show your products also. Now next section is the product list carousel. In this section you can select product of a particular category, or you can select all categories option to show products. So with the help of this section also you can show your products of a particular category. Now let's move to the highlight area, where you can give details of your website such as free delivery, secure payment, join list, free, etc. With the help of add new feature, you can add more highlight in your website, and also you can enable or disable this section with the help of disable section. Now let's move to the another section, which is the brand section. Here you can add images of your brand which you are going to sell in your website. So with the help of add new button, you can manage all the brand images from here, and also in brand images you will get option to upload a image of particular brand and add link to that particular brand. So this is the section with the help of that you can add brand. Now another section is the big featured product section. Main purpose of this section is to show a image of a product in center in the form of a big image. That is why the name of this section is the big featured product section. You can choose particular categories to show your products, and also you can give heading of this particular section, and you can choose recent product, featured product and random product from this section. Now let's move to the tabbed product list carousel section. This section will help you to show the product in the form of list, and you can give heading to this section. You can choose category in this section. Also you can choose the product option from here. This section is also in the form of slider, so you can enable or disable auto slide play from this option. Now another section is the first custom section, second custom section, third custom section, fourth custom section. Friends, with the help of this section you can add any particular category products or any text you want to show in your website. So we have given option of custom section. You have to just click on this first custom section and you can give the heading of the section, and you can choose the layout from here, and you can go to the widget area, and from there you can add widget in your section and it will show the product for you. As of now, you have to click on the go to widget area and click on the first custom section widget area, and we have used tab the product widget area to show men's collection products. So you can see these are the products which are showing with the help of tab the product. Also we have option to add image in the right side, so image is also added here. So in this way you can add products in your custom section. Now last option is the section ordering option. If you want to order your section according to your requirement, then you can just drag and drop this section here and you can manage the position of all the section in your home page. After that you have to click on the publish button. So these are the sections which are available for your website. So friends, if you have any issues related to this, you can comment me below and I will help you with that. Also please do subscribe to my channel so that you will get notification of my videos, and I will explain you how you can create multiple websites using our themes. Friends, thanks for watching my video.